Warm-up exercises for singing. Like an athlete, a singer is required to start with some warm-up exercises before they singing. This is especially important as it prepares the vocal muscles to prevent fatigue. One of the chief benefits of warm-up exercises is to improve the airflow as you sing. Furthermore, it makes your vocal muscles more flexible, which prevents vocal damage. At first, it might not make sense to do warm-up exercises to avoid damaging your vocal cords. However, take note that these are gradual drills that will gently get you accustomed to singing for longer periods of time. Physical exercises. It would be best to start your warm-ups with some physical exercises. Stretching will relax your body and improve your posture. Try to stand straight with your arms at your side. Relax and take a deep breath. Now, interlock your fingers with your palms facing upward and raise your arms up. Count up to 10, then release and go back to your original position. Next, raise your left arm up and bend sideways to your right. Make sure to keep your balance. As you bend, hold the position and count up to 10 before going back to your starting position. Do the same for your right arm. Lastly, raise both your arms in the air and shake your hands as if you are shaking off water from them. Make sure to keep your arms straight up and your body relaxed as you do this. Shake your arms for 15 counts to further loosen up your muscles. Repeat as needed. Vocal exercises make a low buzzing sound by pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth and letting the air through. Your target is to create a Z sound so you'll feel the vibration between your lips. This exercise enhances breath support, which increases your singing stamina. Another effective warm-up exercise is doing scales. Do a descending and ascending octave scale up to the highest and lowest pitch you can manage to sing. You can start from the key of C major. Using a keyboard to accompany you through this exercise is a must. Gradually move up half steps as you do the scales. It may take a while for you to settle into the routine of these exercises, but you will adjust soon enough. The most important thing to remember is to never neglect the habit of doing warm-up exercises. This will strengthen your foundations as a singer and will prepare you for more advanced techniques in the future. If you want to be an expert, this is a proven way. To know more, click the link in the description below for the complete lesson.